Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be creating a sexy smoky eye using the new Rose Gold palette from Huda Beauty. So if you'd like to see how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. So first I'm going to go in and apply Sandalwood in my crease as a transition color. And I'm using a large fluffy blending brush to apply it so I don't get any harsh lines when applying the shadow. And as you can see, I'm also going to bring this color down onto my lower lash line. Next I'm adding henna right in my crease and in my outer corners to add more depth to the look. And as you can see, I'm using a smaller blending brush to do this so I can be a little bit more precise with my application. And then when I have the color on the lid, I just like to go in with my big blending brush and make sure that everything is nice and blended. Now I'm picking up Pink Diamond on a small flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to apply this shade on my eyelid where I haven't put any eyeshadows yet. And I must really say that they did an amazing job with the formula of these metallic shadows. They are super creamy and they almost feel wet to the touch. I really wanted to try as many colors as I could since this was my first time using the palette. So here I'm adding Maneater on the outer half of my lid. I wanted the look to be a little bit darker, so I added Coco in the outer corners. And this one didn't really show up that pigmented, but I think it might be because I had a ton of eyeshadow underneath. So I just kept on building the color and it turned out pretty good. For my inner corners, I'm going to highlight using Bubbly. Now that we're done with the eyeshadows, I'm going to add a nice winged liner using my Inglot Gel Eyeliner. And I have a separate video on how to do winged liner if you feel like you want a more in-depth tutorial. And for my waterline, I'm applying the Marc Gel Eye Crayon in the shade Fine Wine. I think this is a color that you either love or hate, but I personally love it. Now I'm just going to apply mascara and lashes, and for today's look I'm using Noelle from Huda Beauty. Moving on to the face, I'm going to apply the blush and highlighter from the Becca and Crazy Taken palette. You've seen me use this one in videos a million times before, so I think you guys already know I like this one. Now for the lips, I'm trying a liquid lipstick from Sigma for the first time, and this one is in the shade New Mod, and that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye!